For my science project, I studied alpacas and their adaptations and special features. First, I'll be showing you my observational drawing of an alpaca's teeth. This is an image of an alpaca's lower incisors from a side view. This is an image of their lower incisors from a top view. An alpaca's incisors' purpose is to help the alpaca with efficient eating. The incisors do this by grabbing and tearing grass, which they push upon their dental pad. These are images of an alpaca's canine teeth from the side view, and these are from the top view. Both male and female alpacas have canines that are also called fighting teeth. The alpacas are herbivores, so their canines are used between the male alpacas to fight with each other. This finally is a picture of an alpaca's molars and premolars. An alpaca's molars and premolars grind the alpaca food so they can properly digest their food. They also grind cud that comes from its stomach. This is an image of an alpaca's, but with sections cut off for how you would shear it. This is the prime of an alpaca. The prime is the softest alpaca fleece. The prime area on an alpaca is used to make hats, sweaters, and shirts, and other clothing that is kept close to the body. This is an image of alpaca seconds. The seconds are the softest fleece next to the prime and are used for making socks and felt. Seconds are located on the neck and stomach of alpacas. These are the thirds. Their thirds are found on the legs and tail of an alpaca and are usually discarded because they aren't useful for clothing. Alpaca fur and hair can be used in yarn, and it can be used in other fabrics. And finally, these are images of an alpaca's digestive system. An alpaca is a modified ruminant, meaning it is an animal that regurgitates its food, which is called cud, and goes through its digestive cycle several times before completing the cycle. A common ruminant is a cow, though alpacas are modified ruminants, meaning they only have 3 compartments rather than 4. An alpaca's stomach is made up of 3 compartments. Compartment 1 is the largest compartment and contains microorganisms that change cellulose into materials that can be digested. Recently digested food goes into compartment 1 and stays there for several hours. Next, the material moves to compartment 2, where nutrients is absorbed. The food now moves to compartment 3, which is the true stomach, and the food is ground up. The final stages of digestion occur in the intestines, and then the waste is excreted. This is also an image of an alpaca's digestive system, but it's the full body of an alpaca, so you can see it where it would be in relationship to its body. The things I learned about an alpaca are its teeth, its fur and hair, and its digestive system, which all help it survive in its surroundings, which can sometimes be harsh.